No mai, haere mai. My name is Scott Rice. Welcome to the 2025 New Zealand Secondary School Championships live here from Kirikiriroa, Hamilton. We're here at the Waterworld Aquatic Centre for 4 days of action here. 700 students from around the country, 165 kura schools representing here. It's going to be a great 4 days of competition. We kick off tonight with the 400 metres freestyle, both the boys and the girls, and then we finish tonight with some relays, so a good fun way to start the first of the 6 sessions tonight. We're lucky to have 5 of the World Junior World Championship representatives from New Zealand taking part over the next 4 days. Exciting to see them come through, see what sort of form they're in before they head away to Romania next month for those champs. Also, we've got Riley Sayer, one of the World Para representatives here as well, so exciting to see what form she will be in as well. She's done so well in the last couple of years to change classifications and is really firing. Age groups over the next 4 days, we've got the 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17-year-old age groups, plus the multi-class. They're coming into the championships. They're swimming in their own events, which is great to see. I'd like to bring in Dale Johnson, Head of Participation at Swimming New Zealand, just to get a few comments from him. Dale, you must be really pleased with the numbers here at these champs.
Yeah, it's really, really great to see 700 swimmers here this week. We've got 165 schools, as you said before, so we've got a great representation across the country.
Now, the format for these championships is slightly different to some of the other ones. No heats and finals. It's called a time final. Tell us what that's all about.
The time final is a really good opportunity for the swimmers. They swim once in each event, so anyone in any of the heats can win that race from in the 400 freestyle tonight. Be at any race, they can win the age groups that are combined at the end. All the results will pull together.
So what that means is all swimmers have to give it absolutely everything. There's no second chances over the next 4 days. Thanks, Dale, and we'll see you over the course of the championships. So it was the 400 freestyle first, then the medley relays for the boys and girls, 4x50. We have the under 16 relays, then the over 16, then we move to the 4x100 metre freestyle relay, both under 16 and 16 and over. A slightly earlier finish tonight of 7 p.m, but some longer sessions over the next few days. I'd now like to ask you to stand for the New Zealand National Anthem sung by Vanessa Joyce. Thank you, Vanessa. I think you win the prize for the very best anthem I've ever heard in the last 8 years. That was absolutely beautiful. Well done. We'll be back right after this break to introduce our technical officials and get session 1 underway.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through a tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
You know your best can always be better. When you're always prepared to give it your all, you must flow like water, but be fueled by fire. You eliminate doubt and replace it with focus. If there's a boundary, you're pushing it. Even when you know fast is your only speed, you know that's never enough. Power Skin Primo, the first race suit with Hyperforce fabric. First is better than fast.
This isn't an ad about four-wheel drives. It's about knowing the place, as well as the locals.
You found the place. That's a good start. Built by my great-grandfather.
I'm Jason Bill, and we farm around the mid-north. We took a review of our business a couple of years ago, sort of identified challenges that we had. One was profitability, and we'd noticed on our steep hill country we're getting more and more erosion. We looked around to diversify, looked at forestry to plant on our steeper country. For us, it really addressed those concerns. By doing the forest farm model, we feel like we're getting the best of both worlds. And I'm really excited, and I really do believe in this model. I think it's the way of the future.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This isn't about what we wore back in the day.
we're going to go now. Going once, going twice, no more offers. Sold!
It's about being trusted to get a better result for our clients since 1973.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
This isn't about long-distance calling, technology, or living overseas.
Do I have one more bid? Thank you. We're going to go once. We're going twice. And we are sold to the Kiwi phone bidder from Manchester.
It's about Bailey's finding buyers that others can't.
Welcome back into the 2025 Aotearoa Secondary School Swimming Championships. And a big thanks to our partners that make it happen. To Bailey's, Caltex, Apollo Projects, New Zealand Carbon Farming, MΑORI Plus, Aotea Electric, Kingspan, Arena and Teamline. And just before we get underway, just a few of the awards that we'll be handing out this week, and thanks to Caltex, they've got the Good Sport competition. This is awarded to a player, coach or manager for making a positive impact on those around them, and the prize is a full Caltex goodie pack to take home, and award nominations close tomorrow at midday. That's the Caltex Good Sport competition. The Bailey's Altogether Better. This is awarded to a school team that is altogether better. Whether it's your unbeatable teamwork, unbreakable spirit, or unrelenting drive to succeed, we want to hear what makes your team stand out from the rest. And we're looking for the team that embodies the spirit of unity, teamwork and dedication. That's a $200 voucher. Nominations again close at midday tomorrow. That's the Bailey's Altogether Better Award. And then New Zealand Carbon Farming. They're going to award a school attending the champs who is the best sustainability tip. And I remember their winners last year. They were really good. $50 prize, and you can nominate someone from up until 12 o'clock tomorrow. So a bit of a wave cam going around the crowd, just capturing some of our swimmers and coaches and teachers. And just getting a few technical things sorted before we get underway with the boys' 400 metres freestyle. As we said, there is 5 of the world junior New Zealand representatives at this meet. Milan Glintmayer is here, Daniel Kriegting, Ariel Machirahondo, Igor Razanov, and Monique Wierzowski swimming, and will be going to Romania next month for the World Junior Swimming Championships, our future stars. And then, as we touched on earlier, we have Riley Sayer from Matamata. She's a debutante at the World Para Swimming Championships, which will be in a couple of months' time. In fact, no, it's very shortly. So looking ahead to the program, most of the action over the Friday and Saturday with some long sessions in the morning, good 5.5-hour sessions. Some of the heats or time finals reaching sort of 33, 34 time finals in the 50 freestyle. So now we'd like to bring in the officials for session number 1. Please put your hands together and welcome our technical officials, ladies and gentlemen. Introducing your referee for the boys' events this evening, it's Ali Sherwood. And for the girls' events, your referee is Tanya Lindop. Your starters for the boys' events is Edward Hardy. And for the girls' events, Dan Harvey. And your technical director for these championships is Carlreen Gillespie. Thank you, officials. Please be seated. We'll be back after this short break to kick off Event 1, the boys' 400 freestyle.
Ladies and gentlemen,
this isn't about what we wore back in the day.
We're going to go now. Going once, going twice, No more offers. Sold!
It's about being trusted to get a better result for our clients since 1973.
Welcome back in. We're here on MΑORI Plus live. Thanks for joining us if you're joining us on the stream. This is event number 1 of session 1. It's the 400 metre freestyle for boys. There are 7 time finals. And at time final number 1 is about to get underway. We wait for our technical officials to get us underway. And we're underway. Lane 3, it is Jacob Alexander from Gisborne Boys High School, 4, Samuel Shivnan from Tauranga Boys College, and lane 5, Jonathan Bow from Maclean's College. turns for home in this first of the time finals. In the boys 400 metres freestyle, Jacob Alexander doing a great job here to win time final number 1. In a time of 4:32.89. And his entry time of 4:38. He smashed that by 6 seconds. Well done to Jacob Alexander. Time final number 2 of the boys 400 metres freestyle. Lane 2, Jacob McDonald, Hamilton boys. 3, Noah Lomas, Rotorua boys. 4, James Zhang, Auckland Grammar School. 5, Henry Wang, King's College. 6, Hugo Beebe, John McGlashan College. 7, Connor Mahoney from Kelston boys. Henry Wang starting to have some company at the top end of the field, with Noah Lomas starting to come up alongside him. Entry times pretty similar at 4:31.5-ish. And these boys will now turn for home. Let's see who can take out time final number 2 here in the boys 400 metres freestyle. And it will be Noah Lomas taking a half body length lead into the final 25. And as Dale Johnson from Swimming New Zealand mentioned, each of these age groupers need to give it everything. They can always win from their earlier time finals. And Noah Lomas touches first. 4:24.18, lowers his entry time by 6.5 seconds there. Time final number 3, the boys 400 metres freestyle. In lane 1 is Kaito Sasamoto from Gisborne Boys High. 2, Sam Skidmore, Lindisfarne College. 3, Isaac Wren, Hamilton Boys High School. Lane 4, Dominic Barton, Kristen School. 5, Daniel Eccleston, Auckland Grammar. 6 is Finn Fremantle, St Paul's Collegiate. 7, Kento Wangford, Botany Downs Secondary College. Lane 8, Timothy Chin from Auckland Grammar School. And Kento Wangford in lane 7, our second fastest of the 13-year-olds in this event. Grayson Coulter is in the final, the 7th one. This event last year won by Charlie Dickerson. Now the 14-year-old, he'll be in time final number 6. But it's at the moment, it's Isaac Wren who leads them through from Hamilton Boys High School. Goes through in 1 minute. 0.38 through the 100, 133 through the 150, and the 200 and 205.61. So on track for a PB here, perhaps. Isaac Wren, the 15-year-old. He's sitting nice and high in the water, breathing bilaterally every 3, keeping that stroke nice and even. With 50, that's 250, 238.29, 150 metres to swim now for Isaac Wren. Isaac Wren coming into his final turn. A 4:23.92 in the program. And he's got a good 2 body lengths lead now over lane 5's Daniel Eccleston. And a nice mutu, nice finish there for Isaac Wren. 4:13.46. He's gone nearly 10 seconds under his entry time. Well done. And looking to post some real solid times in the age groups before we get to the latter time finals. Time final number 4 of 7 of the boys, 400 metres freestyle. Lane 1, Jackson Rowlands, New Plymouth Boys High School. 2, Thomas Cave, Price College. 3, Sean Burke, Rangitoto College. 4, William Callow, Christchurch Boys High. 5, Eric Kwan from Scots College. 6, Josiah Joyce, Hamilton Christian College School. 7, Riley McEwen, Mount Wanganui College. Lane 8, Daniel Lowe from Maclean's College. And a nice strong start in lane 3 by Sean Burke from Rangitoto College in Auckland, the 16-year-old. Fastest in this time final is William Callow in lane 4, 4:16.89 on the program. And he's just got a little bit of work to do to get back up to the front of the field. Lots of time still left in this 400 metres freestyle. They've gone through the 100 in 58.48. So a good 1.5 seconds faster than the previous time final. Sean Burke extending his lead, something about lane 3 this afternoon. They're really performing well in lane 3 at the moment. Maybe it's the lucky lane. Who knows? We'll find out over the next few days. Sean Burke has gone through the 250 metre mark, approaching the 300 metre mark now. 3:06.96, just tapping over the 1 minute for each of the hundreds he's done. He's from Rangitoto College, 16 years of age. Lane 5 starting to come through now. Eric Duan from Scots College starting to close that gap. The 17-year-old knows he's got to do something now. He's breathing off to his right. He's missing what's going on over there in 3 on the way back. 50 metres to swim now for these two swimmers. Who's going to win time final number 4? William Callow starting to come through in the middle. He's closed the gap by half a body length as well. Good whakatete here, good racing as they come through to the Mutu, the finish. And it will be lane 5, Eric Duan, who gets there. A good finish from him. 4:10.51, lowers his time from 4:16. And the 17-year-old comes out on top in the time final number 4. Time final number 5. Lane Ahi is William McFarlane. Rua is Taka Sugiyama from Otago Boys High School. Oru is Tyler Lushcott, Auckland Grammar School. Bar is Alexander Copperchon, St John's. Rima is Samuel Asiata, Maclean's College. Ono is Sheldon Hogan, Tauranga Boys College. B2 is Aidan Taylor, Maclean's College. And at lane Waru is Everett Williams, St John's College in Hamilton. Lane 8, Waru is Everett Williams. He is the second fastest of the 14-year-olds in this event from his seed time. So watching out for him for a potential medal in the 14-year-old age group. Winning at the moment is the lane 7. Itu is Aidan Taylor, Plains College. Closely followed by lanes 4 and 5. Some great underwater work, great streamlining there from Aidan Taylor, getting some good distance off the wall. And he's got that kind of gallop going on in his stroke, breathing to his left. And that's works really well for him on the return journey to the starter's end. And now starting to see lane 4, Alexander Copperchon breathing to his left. He can see what's going on now in lane 7, starting to creep back in front now perhaps. Even Stevens coming down. to the 300 metre mark in time final number 5. Solid lead here for Alexander Kopachon, the 16-year-old from St John's College in Hamilton, a seed time of 4:12.43. And he comes through to the final 50 now. He's got an open to body length lead over lane 7, Dayton Taylor. Looking for third at the moment. It's going to be between lane 6 and lane 3. Sheldon Hogan and Tyler Lushcott. A good strong finish here for Kopachon. Getting good 5.5 metres off the wall. Comes through, teammates started to cheer on the sidelines, good to see. And the winner will be Alexander Kopachon for time final 5 of the 400 metre freestyle. Finishes at a 4:07.19, taking a good 5 seconds off his entry time. Well done. Time final 6 of the boys 400 metres freestyle. Lane Tahi, lane 1, Sam Rowe. Rua is Jack Barman, Kristen School. Toru is Ethan Stocks. Fa is Charlie Dickerson. Rima is Alex Sanford from Whangaprawa College. Ono is Neo Ehrlich from St Paul's Collegiate. Vitu is Bradley Searle from ACG Parnell College. In lane 8, Waru is Charlie Shivnan, Tauranga Boys College. Now in lane 4 is the 13-year-old champion from last year, Charlie Dickerson, now 14. He's in the middle lane. He's got the fastest time of 4:05.97. 4:05.97. Let's have a look what he did last year. At 13 years of age, he did a 4:17.93 to win it. So he's really lowered that time over the last 12 months. Lane 2, Rua leads them out. Jack Barton, the 17-year-old from Kristen School in Auckland. Got a good rating to his freestyle. And you do see a lot of these distance swimmers now with a bit of gallop in their stroke and opting to breathe just on the one side, get into the rhythm. Some coaches would not like that. I'd like to see a bit more symmetry in the stroke, but for many of the leading swimmers in the world now, this is becoming more common. Chasing hard is Charlie Dickinson in lane 4, breathing to his right. You can see the action in lane 2. Trying to hold on is Alex Sanford in lane 5 from Whangaprawa College. Sanford known for slightly shorter distances, generally 100 and 200. So extending himself up to the 400 metre distance here, the 15-year-old. You often do see some of these age group champions, that's where it all starts, and they start to, as they grow older, they go into the next age group. If they can continue to lead and win, that's when you know something special's brewing. Charlie Dickerson leading now. We're looking real strong here. Coming up to 50 metres to swim here, Dickerson. Remember, a 4:17 to win it at 13 years of age 12 months ago. And this is going to be a huge margin that he's knocked off his time in 12 months. Just held his composure through the first 200 and has blasted away this field in the second 200. Trying to hold on for second at the moment is lane 2, Jack Barton. And the winner, the toa, will be Charlie Dickerson, 4:04.38, just underneath his entry time. And you would hope that that would secure him, and it likely will, the 14-year-old boys championship in the 400 freestyle. The last of the time finals of the boys 400 metres freestyle. This is time final number 7. Lane 1, Pahi is Daniel Bregting. Rua is Soren Wells. Toru is Leo English. 4 lane is Far, that is Ariel Machirahondo. Ono is Fraser Walker. So Rima is Fraser Walker. Ono is Alfie Weatherston Harvey. Vitu is Grayson Coulter, and Waru is Luke Jackson. Now we have our fastest 13-year-old in this field, most likely our fastest 15, 16 and 17, 18-year-old swimmers in here. So this will likely decide the podium finishes in the 400 freestyle for the boys. We watch now Ariel Machirahondo, who will be off to the World Junior Championships in Romania next month. He had that outstanding meet earlier this year that got him that qualifying mark. And well out in front already, the 16-year-old from John Paul College. Sitting in second at the moment is Leo English, who is a very accomplished distance swimmer and medley swimmer, Leo English. Grayson Coulter, lane 7, the 13-year-old. He's sitting third or fourth at the moment. It's fourth for Grayson Coulter. Bregting in lane 1, sitting in third. New Zealand short course record for 13-year-old boys, held at 4:09.27. Been held for 15 years. Could that be Grayson Coulter's tonight? Keep an eye on that one, as we will some of the other age group records. Only one chance, no heats and finals here, just the time final, the one chance to give your best performance in your event. Such a smooth operator, Ariel Mochira-Hondo in that freestyle. If you want to look at what symmetry looks like, this is what it looks like. Beautiful high elbows and long reach. Coming through with 50 metres to swim, Ariel Mochira-Hondo. Grayson Coulter sitting in second at the moment. Daniel Creighton is right there too. Coulter sitting in second. Lane 3 at the moment is Leo English. Daniel Loader holding the New Zealand record for 16-year-old boys from 1992. And he's going to be outside of that 3:43. But Ariel Mochira-Hondo, 3:51 comes through. Grayson Coulter will come through with that, absolutely blowing away the New Zealand age group record for 13-year-old boys by a staggering 12 seconds. So some age group winners being crowned there in time final number 7. Well done to all of our boys across event number 1. We move now to event 2. It is the girls 400 metre freestyle, the first of 5 time finals. Time final 1 of the girls 400 metres freestyle, lane 1, Ashley Lamb. 2, Marley Coverdale from Mount Albert. 3, Gemma Hay from Waikato Diocesan School. 4, Renee Dresner from Tauranga Girls College. 5, Violet Carter from Freiburg High School. 6, Pippa Jury from Villa Maria College. 7 is Lara Miganoff from ACG Strathallan. Goes through the 200, Renee Dressner, 2:12.47. She's well out in front, the 14-year-old from Tauranga Girls College. Hoping to go underneath her, entry time of 4:41.90. These 400-metre swimmers just bubbling away with the little 2 to 4 beat kick here. Some you can see with a lot more energy in their kick earlier on. Some distance swimmers opting to conserve that energy from the kick, put it into the arms. Gemma Hay from Waikato Licensing School is sitting second at the moment. Third is anyone's from lane 5 through 7. Coming up with 100 metres to swim here, Renee Dressner. Back 50 metres to swim. It's going well. She's probably going to go under her 4:41.90. She's going to be well into the 4:30s here. She'll be pleased with that. And she deserves it. She went out right fast from the beginning. Renee Dressner wins time final number 1 of the girls' 400 metres freestyle. Second of the time finals of the girls' 400 metres freestyle. Lane 1, Jade Lyles from Crimson Global Academy. 2, Phoebe Nettle from Woodford House. 3 is Laura Menzies from Rolleston College. 4 is Helen Hickford from Waitara High School. 5, Megan Scott from Craighead Dyston School. 6, Leah Yang, Botany Downs Secondary College. 7, Millie Skidmore from Woodford House. And 8, Maggie Thompson from Palmerston North Girls High School. Jade Lyles of Crimson Global Academy, the 14-year-old, is up the front there with lane 3's Laura Menzies of Rolleston College. Entry times of 4:37 to 4:40. New Zealand Secondary School Championships has been an event that's grown hugely over the last few years, with numbers well exceeding those of the New Zealand age group champs and the New Zealand Championships. And great to see swimmers supporting their fellow schoolmates to come and take part together. Often a few swimmers in these champs that don't come a competitive swimming background. They might be in water polo or surf lifesaving, and they're here to support the school, be part of relays, be part of some of the sprinting events. Always great to see. 300 metres swum now, and the lead changes now to Laura Menzies. Fantastic second half of this event, and often you'll see these distance swimmers just keep to their race plan and hit the splits they want to hit in the first 200 and then start into increase that pressure. And that's when the endurance, that's when the training starts to kick in, and they maintain that speed. And we talk about the third 100 or the third part of any event, and that's certainly where Laura Menzies put the work in. She's going to come through to win it, but a good final 100 there from Jade Lyles, 4:28.01. And that is 9 seconds underneath entry times there. Well done, girls. Leah Yang gets third to the wall in the second of this time final. Time final 3 of the girls' 400 metres freestyle. Lane 1, Tahi is Rio Sakamoto, Gisborne Girls High School. Rua is Octavia Mahoney, Barradine. Koru is Macy Haynes, Mount Albert Grammar School. Far is Jessica Richardson from Hamilton Girls High School. Rima is Poppy Van Jenigen from Hamilton Girls. Ono is Helena Yule from Rangitoto College. Fitu is Indy Leeds from Rangiruru Girls School. And Waru is Tessa Scott from Waikato Diocesan School. Slender lead for Jessica Richardson in lane 4. Good start from Tessa Scott in lane 8. Started strongly. Now starting to be reeled in by the middle lanes a little bit here. Lane 3 also going well. Macy Haynes of Mount Albert Grammar. Tessa Scott still holding her own in lane 8. Lane 4's Jessica Richardson's just fallen away a little bit. Macy Haynes in 3, still right there. In the third time final of the girls 400 freestyle, they turned together at the halfway mark. 2:12.66. 200 metres to swim. This is the all-important third 100. Let's see what unfolds here. And what's really important in the short course meaning a 25-metre pool, there are 16 laps to swim for the 400 freestyle. They have to do 15 turns, meaning that if those turns are better than your competitor, you're going to get that margin, a little bit of a margin every single time you get to the end of the pool. And looking at the distance off the wall here, Tessa Scott getting 5 metres. Some of the other swimmers just falling short a little bit there. Tessa Scott with a great swim here. Coming through at the 300-metre mark. 100 metres to swim. She clearly had the best third 100 of the lot. Sensing she's maybe got this one. Lane 2 starting to come through now. She just fight in time. Octavia Mahoney from Barradine. Octavia Mahoney, the 14-year-old. Tessa Scott, 16. So one of the youngest in the field, along with Helena Yule. She's doing well, Octavia. And Tessa Scott will win and lead from start to finish here. The 16-year-old, her entry time of 4:35.78. She's going to smash that, 4:30.45. Octavia Mahoney also done a fabulous time as well with a 14-year-old. Down from a 4:35 to a 4:31. That's time final number 3. Time final number 4 of the girls 400 metres freestyle. Lane 1, Sophie Peters, Sacred Heart Girls College. 2, Nicola Lovell, Marlborough Girls College. 3, Candia Fisher, Villa Maria College. 5 is Freya Hingston, McLean's College. 6, Scout Carter, Palmerston Girls High School. 7, Hope Wang, St Cuthbert's College. And 8 is Maeve McDonnell from Takaranga College. A big shout out to Joe Davidson and Mary McFarland, our life members, still out here on pool deck doing a fantastic job. Thank you to Mary and Joe. In fact, Jo was around when I was swimming, so that's how long she's been giving to Swimming New Zealand. It was a long time ago. And don't forget about those sponsor awards, the Caltex Good Sport competition. Entries close tomorrow at midday, as does the Bailey's Altogether Better one and the New Zealand Carbon Farming. If you want to see information about those awards and how to enter and what you need to do, head to the free competition info at the Swimming New Zealand website. And a big thanks to our partners. Those partners are Polo Projects, Caltex, Bailey's, New Zealand Carbon Farming, MΑORI Plus, Althea Electric, Kingspan, Arena and Teamline for these championships. Thanks for your support. Coming through the 250 metre mark now, it's Hope Wang. Hope Wang, the 14-year-old from St Cuthbert's College. And she is the fastest of the 14-year-olds so far. Candia Fisher, also 14 in lane 3. And Hope Wang is well out in front at the moment. She leads time final number 4. And in lane 5, this is Freya Hingston of McLean's, the 18-year-old. Unfortunate for Freya Hingston, the cap has come off. Hope Wang is charging there with 50 metres to go. Nicola Lovell, I should say, in lane 2, having a good swim for Marlborough Girls. She's sitting in second, third. Might still be Freya Hingston battling away with the long hair. That's always a challenge. Looking beautifully comfortable into the finish here is Hope Wang. Very high body position and a good rating coming in. She's clearly done the work 4:25, and she will be the fastest 14-year-old so far. Her entry time of 4:32.33. She takes 7 seconds off her entry time. The last of the time finals for the girls 400 metres freestyle. Lane 1, Isabella Davron. 2, Ariella Riley. 3, Alexis Rossini. 4 is Olivia Emmett. 5, Olivia Bates. 6, Holly McDonald. 7, Kezia Vicini. And 8, Alex McIntosh. Olivia Emmett well out in front in this final event race of event number 2. Looking superb through this event. In the third 100 at the moment, she went through the 200, 2:03.4. She's 17 years of age. She'll be there looking for the title in the 17 and over age group. Others to watch out for here is Alex McIntosh, an 8 and 16-year-old. All of the rest of the swimmers are 17, so we're looking for the winner and place getters of the 17 and over, the girls, and the first in the 16-year-old girls. Alex McIntosh, the only 16-year-old. There was Nicola Lovell in the previous time final at 16 years of age as well. She did a 4:27, so we'll look out for that time. Another one to watch as she goes into the older age groups. Just a powerhouse of middle distance, long distance swimming. Olivia Emmett. Turns for home with 50 metres to go. 3:41.43. She did a 32.73 through the last 50. Probably see a 5:11, 12, 13 perhaps here. I mean, 4. 4:13 I should say, not 5. Let's have a look. Olivia Emmett comes in to win the 17 and over girls 400 metres freestyle. 4:13.57. Just outside of her own entry time. Kezia Vicini takes second. Olivia Bates third. Let's look for Alex McIntosh. 4:26.31. And that'll go quick, a little bit quicker than Nicole Lovell, so she will most likely take out the 16-year-old girls. And that, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude event 2, girls 400 freestyle. We're going to go to a quick ad break after we've shown you the results. And we'll be back for the first of the relays, the 4x50 metre medley relay for under 16-year-olds.
You know your best can always be better. When you're always prepared to give it your all. You must flow like water, but be fueled by fire. You eliminate doubt and replace it with focus. If there's a boundary, you're pushing it. Even when you know fast is your only speed, you know that's never enough. Power Skin Primo, the first race suit with Hyperforce fabric. First is better than fast.
Welcome back here on MāORI Plus, excuse me. We are on to event 3. And we're hitting the relays for the first time, the 4x50 metre medley boys relay under 16. There are 2 time finals that are ready to go. It's time final number 1. Lane 2, Pinehurst School A. 3, Hamilton Boys High School A. 4, King's College B. 5, Barker College from New South Wales. 6, Hamilton Boys High School B. 7, Gisborne Boys High School A. Now the important thing here is these swimmers in the relays give it absolutely everything, because they can still get a place or win from the first or the earlier heats, the earlier time finals, I should say. Pinehurst School A getting a sneaky win there from lane 2. Well done to them, winning the first of 2 time finals for the 4x50 metre medley relay for under 16-year-olds. second of two time finals, 4x50 metre medley men's boys relay under 16. One is Christchurch Boys High School, 2 Kristen A, 3 Rangitoto College A, 4 King's College A, 5 Auckland Grammar A, 6 Mount Albert Grammar A, 7 Palmerston North Boys High School, and 8 Westlake Boys High School A. And leading the charge at the moment is lane 4 King's College. This is Danny's son, out there doing it in the breaststroke leg, being chased hard by Auckland Grammar's Caleb Yin. Into the water for King's College goes Hayden Guatamo. Looking for third at the moment, potentially lane 8 or lane 2. Lane 8, this is lane 8, Samuel Delamere. But still holding strong, it's King's College A. Henry Wang goes into the water, the 14-year-old. Daniel Eccleston chases for Auckland Grammar School A. Daniel Eccleston starting to power up in the final 15 metres. Eccleston's going to win it for Auckland Grammar School. They get there. What a great performance by the team. The 15-year-old brings it home nicely for Auckland Grammar School A. Takes the honours over King's College, their rivals, not too far down the road. And that concludes event number 3. Next up is event 4, the girls 4x50 metre medley relay under 16. First and 2 time finals for the girls 4x50 metre medley relay under 16. Lane 1, John Paul College A, 2 Taranaki Gosson School A, 3 Central Hawke's Bay College A, 4 Palmy North Girls High School, 5 St Peter's School, Cambridge, 6 Waikato Diocesan 7 Gisborne Girls High School, 8 Tauranga Girls College A. And it's Gisborne who takes them through the first backstroke leg. And Lola Stewart now, the 14-year-old, in the breaststroke. She's got a good handy lead. Nice high body position, takes them through to the wall. Off she goes, Celia Willoughby, the 15-year-old for Gisborne. Second at the moment, lane 4. This is Liddy Smith for Palmerston North Girls High School. Third at the moment, lane 8 for Tauranga Girls. Renee Dresner. And into the freestyle leg now will be Charlotte Willoughby, the sister, the 13-year-old sister. Can she bring them home in this first time final? We'll have to watch out for their time. Gisborne will win it, 2:04.84. Second of 2 time finals in the girls 4x50 metre medley relay under 16 years. Lane 1, Nelson College Girls A, 2, Winners College, 3, Mount Albert Grammar School, 4, St Cuthbert's, 5, Rangitoto College B, 6, Rangirudu College A, 7, Rangitoto College A, 8, Dysonson School for Girls A. And it's St Cuth's away first. A good handy lead from Mackenzie Tobin takes it through the 14-year-old at the backstroke leg. Now into the breaststroke, it is Teresa's son. And being chased hard is India Vaughan. India Vaughan doing a great job to get Rangitoto College B into the lead position. Neck and neck at the moment in this relay. Turning together is Rangitoto College B and St Cuthbert's College A. The Butterflies, Amber Lynn for Rangitoto and Hope Wang for St Cuthbert's. private versus public school here. And it looks like St Cuthbert's starting to get a little bit of a lead here. Mila Tongalea, she'll be hard to beat. Mila Tongalea, she will not be beaten. Lani Kim trying her best, but it'll be St Cuthbert's who will win the relay for under 16-year-old girls. Well done. Third to the wall, Aquinas College A. They did a good job from lane 2. That concludes event number 4. We're moving now to event 5, the boys. 4x50 metre medley relays, 16 and over. There are 2 time finals, and time final number 1 is getting ready to go. Time final number 1, Pinehurst School A in 3, Nelson College A in 4, Auckland Grammar A in 5, Lindisfarne College A in 6. Fastest entry time 1:58.54. Strong finish from Pinehurst School A, Braden Zhao, who takes it home, the 13-year-old. Touches to win first time final, 1:49.47. The second of the two-time finals, 4x50 metre medley boys relay 16 and over. Lane 1, St Paul's Collegiate A, 2 McLean's College A, 3 Rangitoto College A, 4 Hamilton Boys High School A, 5 Westlake Boys A, 6 Christ College A, 7 Palmerston North Boys High School, and 8 Mount Albert Grammar School A. Hamilton boys leading the way. This is Max Mail in there at the moment, 17-year-old in the breaststroke. They're getting chased hard by Ryland Wheeler and Eric Wong in 6 and 7. Westlake Boys High School got some work to do. Lane 3 starting to come through now. Alwyn Bayo for Rangitoto College. But it's lane 7 at 6 Christ College. That was Ryland Wheeler. Had a great breaststroke leg there. Mun Jaeger is in the water for them in the butterfly. They've got Luke Manderson ready to take over in the freestyle. Can he hold off fast finishing Orlando Hardy and Sean Burke over the other side of the pool? William Delamere there for Westlake. Always a bit of an extra bit of energy when you know you've got to win it for your team. Lane 6, Luke Manderson, Christ College A. Can they hold off the fast finishing Orlando Hardy from Hamilton Aquatics? He gets there, Christ College A, by 0.7 of a second over Hamilton boys. Westlake comes through after a pretty poor start to get third. And just looking back on the times from the earlier heats, lane 2 from the last final, Pinehurst weren't too far off the podium there at a 1:49. Well done to them for posting that time. And that concludes event number 6. And next up is, that was 5. Next up, event 6. The girls 4x50 metre medley relay for 16 and overs. And again, there are 2 time finals with time final number 1 ready to go. Great start there in lane 7. Arissa Liu, the backstroke specialist, running through the lanes now. Barradine in 1, Gisborne Girls in 2, Havelock North in 3, St Paul's Collegiate 4, Epsom Girls Grammar in 5, Palmerston North Girls in 6, Pinehurst School in 7, and Tauranga Girls College in 8. Now, that was Samantha Simpson Foster who did the breaststroke. Audrey Neal in there now for Pinehurst, the 17-year-old. She's got a good lead here in the first time final. Aviana Liu is in the water. At a guess, I'd say the younger sister of Arissa Liu. Few sister acts here in this relay tonight. And she's going to take the honours of winning the first time final. In fact, that doesn't look like Aviana Liu. They might have changed order. It's Arissa Liu now. 150 ahead of myself. Arissa Liu now in the water, the 13-year-old. Can she hold on? That's the question. Fast finishing in lane 4. This is Lani Jarrett of St Paul's Collegiate A. Remember, a faster time final to come. It races within the races here. Could be lane 1 here. No, it's lane 4. Just sneaks in front of Barradine. Just 2 100ths of a second in it. The second of the 2 time finals in the girls 4x50 metre medley relay 16 and over. Lane 1, Napier Girls. 2, Botany Downs Secondary. 3, Woodford House. 4, Rangitoto College A. 5, Waikato Diocesan B. 6 is Diocesan School for Girls A. Mount Albert Grammar School A is the 7, and Waikato Diocesan School A is the 8. Very even through the first 50 metre backstroke. Napier Girls from lane 1 is leading just by a slender margin. Breaststroke is going to have to really do some work to get their team in a good position. Lanes 1 and 2 at the moment. Breeze Van Veldhuizen and Alyssa Wangford starting to come through now for Rangitoto College. Monique Wierzowski, no surprises there. And lane 6. Lane 6 is right there too with Grace Jeromson. Now into the water for Rangitoto College is Anya Maritz. Kezia Bassini will take the freestyle leg for them. Can she hold on to this lead and win it for Rangitoto College? Kezia Bassini for Rangitoto College coming quickly in lane 5. This is Holly McDonald. Holly McDonald in lane 5 for second to the wall. 6 will go to Henrietta, who swum for Diocesan School for Girls. And very close in the early stages, that time final. Monique Wierzowski really getting them into a strong position, Rangitoto College. Oh, and there's been an upset. Rangitoto College has been disqualified. Waikato Diocesan B will win that one. Botany Downs Secondary second, Diocesan School for Girls A third. We'll be back after this break for the next lot of our relays. See you soon.
I'm Jason Bill and we farm around the Mid-North. We took a review of our business a couple of years ago, sort of identified challenges that we had. One was profitability, and we'd noticed on our steep hill country we're getting more and more erosion. We looked around to diversify, looked at forestry to plant on our steeper country. For us, it really addressed those concerns. By doing the forest farm model, we feel like we're getting the best of both worlds. And I'm really excited, and I really do believe in this model. I think it's the way of the future.
Welcome back into coverage here of the Aotearoa Secondary School Championships here in Kirikiriroa at the Waterworld Aquatic Centre. Moving now to the next of our relays, the 4x100 metre freestyle relay for the under 16-year-olds. This is the boys' event, and there are two time finals. This is time final number 1. Lane 3, Pinehurst School A, 4, Kristen School A, and 5, Auckland Grammar School A. And a good win for the first of the two-time finals for Auckland Grammar School A in lane 5. Second of two-time finals of the boys 4x100 metre freestyle relay under 16. Westlake Boys High School A in 1, Mount Albert Grammar School A in 2, Hamilton Boys High School A in 3, Christchurch Boys High School in 4, Whakatoto College A in 5, Barker College New South Wales A in 6, Palmerston North Boys High School in 7. And it is Army North boys who go through first in lane 7 by the slenderest margins, 3/100ths of a second. Nothing in it really through the first 100. Lachlan Collins goes into the water for Hamilton boys in lane 3. He's taken a good lead now by almost a body length over the rest of the field. Getting beautiful distance underwater is Lachlan Collins, getting 7 or 8 metres here. It's certainly going to help him. He's got a slightly unorthodox breathing technique. It's working for him though. Chasing hard in lanes 2 and 4 is Mount Albert Grammar School A and Christchurch Boys High School. This is James Chumboy and Johnny Joseph over there in 2. Charles Leach for Christchurch ready to go. Luca Mail for Hamilton Boys in 3 is into the water. Alexis Goatley for Hamilton Boys, for Mount Albert Grammar. Isaac Wren is there, the final swimmer for Hamilton Boys. Hilton Stracey for Christchurch. Hayden Stone for Mount Albert. Isaac Wren well out in front, but now starting to be challenged by lane 5, Rangitoto College, Grayson Coulter. Grayson Coulter coming through, already taken the lead. No one's going to get him now. (24.2) through the first 50 was Grayson Coulter. And he will win it for Rangitoto College A. Second will go to Hamilton Boys after all that early work. And third's going to go to Christchurch Boys High School. Now that, by my calculation, about a 51. Well done to our boys across event number 7. .98 there for Grayson Coulter at 13 years of age. Just let that sink in for a second as we move to event number 8, the girls 4x100 metre freestyle relay for the under 16-year-olds. This is the first of 2 time finals in the girls 4x100 metre freestyle relay. 2 John Paul College A, 3 Palmerston North, 4 Waikato Diocesan, 5 Taranaki Diocesan, 6 Tauranga Girls College. This is Ella Chastain for Waikato Diocesan. She's coming up to change over to Maggie Mata in lane 4. And away goes Billy Smith from Taranaki and Olivia Calder-Kerr in lane 3 for Palmy North girls. It's the first of 2 time finals in the girls 4x100 metre freestyle relay under 16. 2 more events to follow, then the medal ceremony. We wrap up session number 1. Tauranga Girls College, this is Renee Dressner. She's had a busy evening so far, and she's swimming extremely well, leading the way in this first time final for Tauranga Girls College A. Over there in 3, that's Palmerston North Girls, that's Ella Singleton. And good job, Tauranga Girls College winning time final number 1. Third's going to go to lane 2. That's Simi Stewart finishes for John Paul College A. Second of the 2 time finals in the girls 4x100 metre freestyle relay for under 16. Nelson College for girls A and 1, Aquinas College A and 2, Rangiruru Girls School A and 3, St Cuthbert's College Epsom in A in 4 I should say. 5 is Rangitoto College A, 6 Mount Albert Grammar School A, 7 St Peter's School Cambridge A, 8 Dyson School for girls A. Battling it out in the middle of the pool here, it is St Cuthbert's College, Epsom A and Rangitoto College A. Just changing over now, just sub-minutes there for St Cuthbert's College. That was Mackenzie Tobin. Now it's Hope Wang in for St Cuthbert's and India Vaughan in for Rangitoto College A. St Cuthbert's have Mila Tongalia to anchor the relay. So Rangitoto, we're going to want to have to get a bit of a lead here. Neck and neck at the moment. Third is lane 2. That's Addison Sands for Aquinas College. Alina Yule takes to the water, but a good final 25 there from Hope Wang. Flora String now in the water for St Cuthbert's. Lani Kim will close it out for Rangitoto College. St Cuthbert's Epsom come in to change over to Milatonga Leah, the freestyle specialist. Beautiful 10 metres off the start line, and away she goes, being chased by Lani Kim. .50 freestyle swimming in the 26s long course. Looking very smooth in the first half of her 100. Lani Kim second. Lane 2, Aquinas College. This is Evie Metcalf. But it's going to be St Cuthbert's College comfortably for the win here in the second time final. Rangatato College will take the silver and battle on for second after the third there, but it's going to be Aquinas College over Rangiruru. Good final 25 for Indy leads there of Rangiruru. And that concludes event number 8. Just see how close that was in the early stages, but then the lead just opened up. And with 100 to go, Tongalia had about half a body length lead from the start. She used that and more as she increased that lead to win. Here's the result. Next up is event 9, the boys 400 metre freestyle relay, 16 and over. Lane 3, Pinehurst School A, 4, St Paul's Collegiate A, and 5, Lindisfarne College A. This is 4x100 boys relay, 16 and over, the first of 2 time finals. Lindisfarne cleaning up in that heat. Time final number 1. With Benjamin Gray coming in. Oh, it's St Paul's College. No, this is the next. Getting confused here. Time final number 2 up next. Second of the 2 time finals, the boys 4x100 metre freestyle relay 16 and over. Mount Albert Grammar A and 1, Nelson College A and 2, Rangitoto College A and 3, Westlake Boys High School A and 4, Hamilton Boys High School A and 5, Maclean's College A and 6, Palmerston North Boys High and 7. And Westlake off to a good start with William Delamere, the 17-year-old, and Lane 7 by the looks of it as well. This is Eric Wong, the 16-year-old. These two battling it out. Still it is lane 4 and lane 7. Neck and neck through the first 50 of the second 100. Sam Rowe up against Andy Luo. Could this be the first, I was going to say first relay win for Westlake Boys, but they slip back into third now. Palmerston North Boys leading, now coming through in lane 5, Hamilton Boys. This is Kagan Boonen going into the water for Hamilton Boys. Cullen Byrne goes in for Palmerston North. This is a good leg here for Kagan Boonen of Hamilton. He's reeled it back. Boonen will take the lead down his third 25. Boonen lining it up for his final swimmer, Orlando Hardy. Orlando Hardy versus Flynn Balfour. Daniel Lowe in lane 6 for Maclean's in the middle there. But I sense this will be more than enough lead for Orlando Hardy to absolutely clean up this field in the final 100. Westlake's faded to 4th. Challenging for them at the moment is Rangitoto College with Owen Bale. Jacob Humphreys for Westlake Boys. A 23-4 for Orlando Hardy through that first 50. He's flying. Let's see what he can produce in the second 50. Orlando Hardy will win here for Hamilton Boys College. Well done. 26.49. And that could be a sub 50 there, or thereabouts. And winning by 7 seconds over Maclean's College, who came with a good final 50 there. Maclean's to get clinched second to the wall. And Westlake Boys coming through for third. And that concludes event number 9. The first of two time finals in the girls 4x100 metre freestyle relay 16 and over. Tauranga girls in 3, lane 4, Epsom girls grammar A and 5, Pinehurst School A. Tauranga Girls College, this is Itsani Thompson in the final 50 for the girls. MΑORI is coming through second, and it'll be Pinehurst School A, lane 5. That is the Liu, 15-year-old. This is time final number 1 of 2. the final race of session number 1, the second of the time finals of the girls. 4x100 metre freestyle relay for 16 and overs. Lane 1, Palmerston North Girls High School, 2, Waikato Diocesan School A, 3, Diocesan School for Girls A, 4, Waikato Diocesan School B, 5, Rangitoto College A, 6, Mount Albert Grammar School A, 7, St Paul's Collegiate A. And a nice start by Kezia Bassini of Rangitoto College. She leads them out. And after that, pretty disappointing disqualification in the 4x50. They will hope to take home a title tonight for 16 and overs. This is Ariella Riley for Waikato Diocesan B in 4. Monique Wierzowski and Indiana Riley alongside each other. Chasing in lane 3 is Zanti Miller for Diocesan School for Girls A. Ariella and Indiana both accomplished distance swimmers, the sisters from Kirikiriroa. Coached by Kelly Fitch and Matt Wolf. Now we're getting to the interesting part of this event. The third 100, Alana Rawson for Waikato Dawson 4, Alexis Bassini, another 2 sisters in this event. Really holding on here is Alexis Bassini. It's going to come down to Holly McDonald and Anya Moritz. A little bit of a lead opening up now. Alana Rawson's done a good job in the second 50. She will give Holly McDonald just the smallest of leads into the final 100. A nice start by Anya Moritz, swimming for Rangitoto College and the North Shore Swimming Club when she's not at school. Nothing like being the anchor swimmer in a relay with all the hopes on your shoulders for the final leg. Often giving you another level, another gear. And Holly McDonald is storming away with this for Waikato Dawson B. And she has got a body length plus now to win. Well done to the Waikato Dawson team. Rangitoto College will take the second place. Third will go to Dawson School for Girls A. That was Frankie Dodansky. Congratulations to all of our girls across that event, number 10. We'll just wait for that official result. Pretty high springy dive there from Holly McDonald. Or was it Anya Moritz? Finishing at a 30 point as well, Holly McDonald. She really came home strongly. And there is the official result. We'll be back after these short break now to wrap that great session, and then we'll be into the medal ceremony.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
This isn't about long-distance calling, technology, or living overseas.
Do I have one more bid? Thank you. We're going to go once. We're going twice. And we are sold to the Kiwi phone bidder from Manchester.
It's about Bailey's finding buyers that others can't.
No time to fluff around today? No worries. Just swing into Caltex and pay for fuel with Pay an App to speed on through. Ooh, yeah. Feels good. Use it at your local participating Caltex.
Welcome back. Just wrapping that first session. We started with the medalists. It's 400 metres freestyle across the age groups. Great seeing some of these younger swimmers competing against the older swimmers in those time finals, really pushing them along. Huge amounts of PBs this afternoon, looking at those seed times and the finals times. Grayson Coulter, one thing we didn't mention, obviously you would have heard, he got the New Zealand age group record for the 400 freestyle for the 13-year-old boys. That's him there in lane 7 after Ariel Matarahondo won the time final. But he in fact got the 200-metre 13-year-old New Zealand record on the way through in the split. So that is very impressive. Not too many swimmers can do that. And it just shows the talent of Grayson Coulter. And then we had the relays this afternoon or this evening. Lots of teams coming together for the first time to show what goods they've got and hopefully collect a few medals across the next 5 sessions as we go. So well done. We'll be getting into the medal ceremony for session 1 after these short messages. Welcome back. We're going to get into the medal ceremonies. Starting with event number 1, the 400 metres freestyle. Presenting medals, CEO of Swimming New Zealand, Steve Johns. Thanks for being with us, Steve. And all of the swimmers lining up, ready to go. We're just getting the final collation of the results now. We start with the 13-year-old boys for the 400 freestyle. Bronze medal goes to James Zhang, Auckland Grammar, 4:28.15. Silver goes to Kento Wangford, Botany Downs, 4:25.90, and winning in a new New Zealand record for 13-year-old boys, Grayson Coulter, 3:56.78. Now to the 14-year-old boys. Bronze goes to Everett Williams from St John's College, 4:18.59. Second, silver goes to William Callow, Christchurch Boys High, 4:12.08. Gold goes to Charlie Dickerson, 4:04.38. Medals presented by Steve Johns, CEO of Swimming New Zealand. 15-year-old boys up next. Tyler Lushcott gets the bronze. Auckland Grammar School, 4:11.60. Silver goes to Alex Sanford from Whangaparaoa College, 4:08.60. And winning the gold, Leo English, Rotorua Boys High School, 3:58.17. Next up, the 16-year-old boys. Bronze goes to Alexander Kopachon from St John's College, 4:07.19. Silver goes to Soren Wells, Burnside High School, 4:01.09. And winning the gold, Ariel Mochirahondo, John Paul College, 3:51.13. '17 and over, bronze goes to Fraser Walker, Glendowie College, 4:03.77. Silver goes to Alfie Weatherston Harvey, Kings High School, 4:02.54. And winning gold, Daniel Creekting, Mount Roskill, 3:57.60. Moving now to the 13-year-old girls 400 freestyle medal ceremony. Silver goes to Ashley Lamb, Botany Downs Secondary College, 4:53.52. And gold goes to Marley Coverdale from Mount Albert Grammar, 4:50.91. '14-year-old girls, bronze goes to Octavia Mahoney from Barradine, 4:31.63. Silver goes to Jade Miles, Crimson Global Academy, 4:28.67. And winning gold, Hope Wang, St Cuthbert's College, 4:25.15. '15-year-old girls, bronze goes to Phoebe Nettle, Woodford House, 4:39.51. Silver, Maeve McDonnell, Pakuranga College, 4:33.02. And winning the gold, Laura Menzies, Rolleston College, 4:28.01. Next up, 16-year-old girls. Bronze goes to Tessa Scott, Waikato Diocesan School, 4:30.45. Silver goes to Nicola Lovell, Marlborough Girls College, 4:27.71. And winning the gold from Glendowie College, Alex McIntosh, 4:26.31. '17 and over, 400 freestyle for girls. Olivia Bates gets the bronze, 4:23.28 from Epsom Girls Grammar School. Second goes to Kezia Bassini from Rangitoto College, 4:23.17. And winning the gold, Olivia Emmett, Cambridge High School, 4:13.57. Now to event 3, the boys 4x50 metre medley relay under 16. Bronze goes to Rangitoto College A, 1:53.97. Silver goes to King's College A, 1:49.50. And gold goes to Auckland Grammar School A, 1:48.78. Well done, boys. Next up is the girls under 16 4x50 metre medley relay. Bronze, Gisborne Girls High School A, 2:04.84. Silver goes to Rangitoto College B. And winning the gold, St Cuthbert's College, Epsom A, 1:59.10. Moving to event 5, the boys 4x50 metre medley relay 16 and over. Bronze goes to Westlake Boys High School A, 148.92. Second goes to Hamilton Boys High School A, 147.24. And winning the gold, Rice College A, 146.50. Moving now to the women's, the girls' 4x50 metre medley relay 16 and over. Bronze goes to Dyson's School for Girls A, 2:01.09. Silver goes to Botany Downs Secondary College, 2 minutes, .96. And winning the gold medal is Waikato Diocesan School B, 2 minutes, .11. Moving now to event number 7, the 4x100 metre freestyle relay for the boys under 16. Third goes to Hamilton Boys High School A, 3:44.89. Silver goes to Rangitoto College A, 3:42.28. The gold medalists, Auckland Grammar School A, 3:40.24. Next up is the girls 4x100 metre freestyle relay under 16. So Aquinas College gets the bronze, 4:09.68. Rangitoto College A get the silvers, 4:04.64. And the winning team is St Cuthbert's College Epsom A in 4 minutes, 0.68. Moving now to event 9, the boys 4x100 metre freestyle relay, medal ceremony 16 and over. Bronze goes to Lindisfarne College, 4:14.01. No, it's Westlake Boys High School, 3:40.58. Plains College takes the silvers, 3:39.22. And winning the golds, it is Hamilton Boys High School, 3:32.25. And the final medal ceremony is for the girls 4x100 metre freestyle relay 16 and over. Diocesan School for Girls gets the bronze, 4:05.30. Silver goes to Rangitoto College A, 3:59.11. And the gold medal winners are Waikato Diocesan School, 3:57.05. That concludes our medal ceremony and session number 1. We thank you for joining us here on Māori Plus. We look forward to tomorrow's session number 2 kicking off at coverage from 8:35 a.m. tomorrow morning. The likes of a 2x50 metre freestyle mixed relay to kick off, then into the 100 IMs, 200 breaststroke, 100 backstrokes, and finishing with a relay again. We hope you've enjoyed the action and do hope you tune in tomorrow morning for session 2. Noho ora mai rā.